Hi, I'm J.R. Nodlinger with Cajun Archery, and we're here today to take a look at the Sucker Punch bow fishing bow. The Sucker Punch has been developed from the ground up with the extremes of bow fishing in mind. This bow is 32¼ inch axle to axle, has a 7¼ inch brace height, and has a peak weight of 50 pounds. The Sucker Punch includes 2 interchangeable draw modules, a constant draw module and a draw specific module with 60% let off, both providing draw length adjustments from 17 inches to 31 inches. The deep cam grooves on this bow are designed to prevent derailment while swatting through sedge or banging around the boat bottom, so it is always ready to go. The Sucker Punch is available as a bow only or in a ready-to-fish package. The RTF package features our fishing biscuit arrow rest, new Cajun hybrid bow fishing reel, Cajun blister buster finger pads, and 2 white fiberglass arrows with piranha points to provide the most complete and effective bow fishing kit on the market. From everyone at Cajun Archery,
this is a Cuda from Gen X. This is a fantastic bow fishing bow. A lot of real quality components on there. It's a machined aluminum single cam system with an idler wheel and a cam. The cam has universal let off, which means that it's progressively letting off as you draw the bow back all the way to the stop. The stop is adjustable. I carry several of these bows in my boat. Anybody that picks it up can shoot it. We just set the draw stop to their specific draw length. Works out fantastic. The universal progressive let off also means that you can shoot it at any point in the draw cycle. So if you're at half draw and a fish goes whizzing by, you can make the shot, and if you let the arrow go, it's going to shoot true. It comes with a Zebco Bowfisher reel spooled with 200-pound quality line, rest, string gloves so that you don't cut into your fingers, and a fish arrow. This is a nice kit, nice system, and it's very effective on the water. The components are corrosion resistant so that they don't rust. It's available in either a kit or by the bow itself for those of you that might already have bow fishing.
All right, now it's time to string your watermark recurve. There's several different ways that you can string a recurve, but I'm going to show you 2 of them today. One of the simplest ways to string your recurve is by using a bow stringer. Now you can purchase these in archery shops, you can buy them online. Very simple and easy to use. So the first thing you want to do is find your large loop on your bowstring. The large loop goes on the top limb. So what you're going to do is you're going to take it and overtop the limb and then just simply pull it down the limb. Alright? Now you're going to take your small loop, and this one you can bring up, and this one you can actually put right into the grooves. Just kind of leave it lay like that. Alright? Now, on the bow stringer, you have these limb cups. There's a small and a large limb cup. Alright? What you're going to do is you're going to take the large limb cup and put it over the top, and it kind of covers up that string to hold it in place. Alright? Now you can take the small end and put that right over top the end of your limb. Alright? Very simple. Now what you're going to do is this bow string that's hanging down, you're going to set that down, you're going to step on it, and you're going to raise up on the riser, and you'll be able to slide your string up into place. Simply just going to put that down onto the ground and step on the string, pull up on the riser, and slide that string up into the notch. Very simple to use. Now to unstring it, the same thing. You're just going to step on the string, pull up on the riser. You don't need to go over top of the limb. Just slide that string down the limb and it's released. Slide it up. It's in the notch. You're ready to go bow fishing. Remove the bow stringer. You're ready to hit the water. Now, like I said, there's also another way that you can string your recurve. It's kind of like an old school way. What you're going to do is you're going to step with your right foot between the string and the riser. Put the left limb down behind your left ankle area, and you're going to pull back on the upper limb, which causes the limb to become limp. You're going to grab the string, pull back at your body. You can see you can remove it that way. Like I said, this is kind of an old school way. I highly recommend that you use a bow stringer. They work great, they're easy. String it. Bring this back at me. So right there are a couple ways to string your watermark recurve. AMS Bowfishing here. Today let's take a look at the Tidal Wave Rest. Now the Tidal Wave Rest has all the great features needed for bowfishing packed into the ultimate arrow rest. Our best-selling Tidal Wave is as rugged as they come. Windage markers to help fine-tune arrow flight. An internal spinning roller provides additional arrow control during the shot and reduces wear on the arrow. It doesn't matter if you're shooting at fast-moving fish, the design of the Tidal Wave will keep your arrow in place for any type of shot. Arrows can be loaded through the center of the rest or snapped in from the side and can be used by right or left-handed shooters. Check out the Tidal Wave by AMS Bowfishing.
Hey guys, Jack here with Cajun Bowfishing, and I want to share with you today a brand new product for 2019. This is the Cajun Fish Stick Pro Kit. It comes with not only arrow and piranha point, but we've got the Spin Doctor reel and reel seat, the brush fire rest, and the Cajun Fish Stick. It's an awesome package to get out there and start bow fishing with, and for the traditional guys that want to use a traditional style bow, it's really awesome. You need to go to Cajun Bowfishing.